My name is Brian Wako. Mbabuza kwa everybody who is watching. Mwebale nyume wa idala. Akuwanga msubscribing ku YouTube channel at Kaliro Boy. Ndine Rasta, musajja mukulu, mwana mtoto etagokumanya. Afuse ensonga ku TikTok. Kuba abayimbi, kuba aba TikTok abane. Basically buli kimu atugenda kubanga tuchimyako naye. Ndino mkuba yeita Dr. Sefcon. Siwe weita?
Yes.
Dr. Sefcon, noga mbota.
Jendi mganda
mbota.
Bulonzi nnyo.
Banayi wekengera ki ennyo. Lwaki weteeka mu bulamu obwekengera all the time. One, nakubidde simu yesterday but one.
Yes.
Luli nenkugamba Sefcon njagala tufunayo interview. Nongamba gwani bikino nka mwali awo nengamba. Nenzikakkana. Nenguzamu nenkubya simu jo nokola kyekimu. Finally ne tukakunzikiriziganya. Onako olaleero tuli fembi tukola interview.
Yes.
One, lwaki otya to that extent?
First and
tunatandika wali lwaki otya okutuka kweyo level.
Just like anyone, you have to be security conscious. Okitegeera olina kubanga weekingira. Ate kusinzira ku byenkola ku TikTok. Si buli omuntu abyagala. Waliwo olinagamba akakana njagala kamalawo. So intalo zona zitukola ku TikTok omuntu ayinza okufuna inamba yo nayagala okutuusako.
Nga tetunatuuka ku lutalo lwaki create nga tetunatuuka ku introduction lwaki create nze entalo to that extent.
First and foremost, nja kugamba nti abantu bali ku social media having a drama. Not everyone tinali ku social media agakulaba challenges zino akola ki. People want to see the other side. People want to hear that negativity. Okitegera si buli kaseera nti buli mwaga awulira birungi. Twagala okulaba ddala drama abeera ate teri drama nyuma nga tali negative. But people want to see that kind of drama. People want to enjoy social media. So I traced that life. Ningamba kati TikTok we now and abantu tebajja byagala. Naye ogenda negative. Ogenda nga buli omwaka wadde attention. Kekanika nakagambye ku Kenzo. Kekanika nakayogedde ku gundi.
Sefcon njagala tutunulire obulamu bwo ng'omuntu before we start off because tutandikidde mu gear ola character jo tulaga ku TikTok. Naye we nkubidde simu ne creating a rappel eyo. Nkulabye nti rapo. Nkulabye nga oli wa njawulo. Si oli wa TikTok. One, who is Sefcon?
Well, Sefco, this is
Sefco. That's the
Sefco. Yeah, but some people call it Sefcon because
Dr. Sefco.
Yes, Dr. Sefco. Dr. Sefco, first and foremost, I did anesthesia. So I part-time at Mingo and Rubaga.
Hospitals?
Yes, for those two hospitals.
That's so basically you're a professional doctor?
Yes, I'm a professional doctor. I've just graduated recently. So I called myself Dr. Sefco before I even graduated. So most of the people were like...
Dr. Sefco?
Yes. I'm a doctor. And one time I did most of the drama on TikTok. I was almost fired. Now, when I sat with those people at Mingo and Rubaga, they understood my position. Hey, you're trying to do something, but they left my life for social media.
But basically, life here, social media, and your professionalism.
Yes.
Professional, you
Yes, and I'll never be surprised when you find me in Mingo, or Rubaga, or any other hospital. I even have a pharmacy.
But any pharmacy number?
In one day, and it is mine. It is second of Freka, but Freka, Bogabo, also registering and work supplying in Dagara. So if you want to be a supplier or anything, you go and register. You are cool. And on the Dagara Habo, Vichi, all those things. But I have people who work there.
So this is the serious life of Dr. Sefcon.
Yes.
Amanyaga matufugwan.
Sefco Ismail.
Sefco Ismail.
Yes.
Musilamu
yamala ku Qur'ani hafizu asomedde masala ga Usilamu gonna.
Like osomedde masala ga Usilamu gonna tutandike primary osomera wa primary.
Fahad Islamic.
King Fahad.
Yes.
Secondary.
Yes. Secondary I went to Nagalama Islamic.
Okay.
I went to Ziga Islamic. I went to Bilal. Then nemaliriza wanino ku Lubiri.
Sefcon, everything you get abantu abakula tebabikiriza because
they will have to believe.
Left you some ku TikTok. I'm not going to disclose where we are. Nenga tuli waka uwo. Nakola lero. Benade nkubye simu wampa the wrong direction. Kyetondere eri abantu. Wampa the wrong direction because walado manyi nga abalala abakunonya.
So first and foremost, I'll have to apologize. Why I gave him a wrong direction? Because some people try to impersonate. I have gotten most of the calls. So I try to change. Serious, no more wrong direction. So Brian wako yantukide nagendo yanga ali serious. Nitwe ngomubuzabuza ne mu manager wange.
Ombuzabuzize milioni 3 for 3 full days. Nombuzabuza ne location. Wasose no ngamba mvuge nzire. So I don't want to disclose where we are, but tuli waka ourselves ko boto ko ngambe ntoyaga abantu bamanyi wakawobera but olwe bintu byo creating byokoze ku TikTok. TikTok tutandika wano. Osomye ofuse doctor oli ku TikTok now. How did life transform into a TikToker?
Now I was on TikTok one day. Omuntu nanchankalanya nali nkola byange nga siri mu ddwaliro. Omuntu nanchankalanya eddanze nga nzina buzinyi ku TikTok okola challenge ngezana ababulijo. Mwana nanchankalanya kati all sudden waliwo akawala sagala kawa platform.
It's okay. It's
Lewe kanchankalanya. Nenkola video nenkavuma but nakavuma mu luzungu video negoinga viral.
Viral, what do you mean if na views imekolo?
Yeah, almost like 1 million views. Ningamba video zange zonna zonde zisanga kona 200 views enolache ekoze bweti lakini ndolaba nayanziriza kati mukomodiza ne video yaddakera nekuba views nekuba ngendo following egende erinnya
mu creating olutalo
olutalo kati bwerwagwa nenkola challenges endala nga zate tezitambula ngamba kitegeza abana banyumirwa nnyo bino ebintu boba oyomba ngo oli negative abana babinyumirwa entandika olumba abayimbi nenumba aba TikToker account neduka nenkole yokubiri nayo neduka
ona go muntu ana account sibili lwacho ina account sibili
anti kati buli kaseera nga government security conscious account yemu badge reporting era obogendo eri yasoka obogendo gi following bagamba this account has been violating over reported kati nga sawa yonna ningambe sawa yonna account bayinza okola ki bayinza ogitwala kankole yokubiri bwe nakola eyokubiri nekikubira wate neisa nesooka kati ningamba bane
waliwo gye nalabye na 40,000 zombi to get in touch with you nakuweza messages zombi okuzifuna like zombi waliwo emwe 40,000 endala eri kume
kati endala irina mu 47 egenda kuba 50 eyokubiri ate yasooka eri mu 45 kati awo nagambidde bananga mwagala nnyo negativity kubanga eri yasooka bagibaninga kumala ndooza nnaku nga 3 nebulawo nenkola eyokubiri very day nekubirawo 10k followers.
Safcon njaga tutunulire obulamu bwo nga doctor. Now, how is your day like before we reach the TikTok stuff?
So my day, most of the times nga winabagambi I part time. So they gave me an appointment before I even go for work. On such and such a day, you're going to come and do ABCD. So I prepare myself. I don't be online. I don't do anything apart from work.
That day.
And I keep myself very busy and away from TikTok. But immediately I leave work like this.
TikTokers gather!
Because I've been missing them. There's a time even I worked for almost 1 week. So when I came back, I told them, what did I miss? That's how life goes.
So,
now, in a week, I divide my time. The first 3 days,
Mengo Hospital,
Rubaka, yes. So a little bit 2 times, over 3 times, depending on how the programs are running. Then, these other 3 days, the other 4 days, mbera ko ku pharmacy ngenda to balance the books to see biche bitambudo bulungi bichi ebyo webigwa. Then these other days nimbera nga ndi mu byange shige mbamu ogenda ne bakuyita mujangu safe ko tukwagala ko wano kagigi kakano bichi ebintu ebyaside atenga bantoso aberagirako because people make us and people need us.
Yes. Safko benda kubide simu wawulidde otya?
Me, I was very, very surprised. In fact, I could not believe it. Yes, we are TikTokers, but there are some people we've been seeing on TV. So, nzemba dewa msinya wati ngandi ku TV, sanyuka TV, nganda ba programs zonga zinyumira, nganga wabane, that guy is very, very good. Ngo yogera bulungi, there's how you present. You're too articulate, you're too very professional. Walo ngiri jo yogere bintu. No banga, oyagala kuleta negative point. There's how you raise it. There's how you put it on table. Okay. That is very, very professional. Safko,
like security wise, but nakubide wabadoloza nti someone is almukwebuliza mulinya lyange aga kukwata.
Nanti tena kugambe nti wanyangu yidi kubanga but nkuze nkulaba
ganda program
no
onkuza sefuko okay that was 20 natani kukola kusanyuka mu 2016
yes kati nga programs zo
2016 June nga satu sirirwera
paka kati tuli mu myaka emika
5 years
so wayogedde ntono brand ko nga kituufu nkumanyi
okay
gera ni ngamba yeyera nengamba mukimanyi Brian yakubidde nga sikiriza nenga ate dobozi lyeddyo nengenda ku page ni kebera ndawe wanino obera videos zonazona kwa mtu aba impersonating asoteka yoka video kamunga akakobola nga sibo nengamba no yeye era
wagenze paka ku TikTok nokebera
nengira ne account yange yo kuinda oba wapeleza message
nakweza eri neno
nengamba kituufu n'omusajja nenkubira opyara wange nemugamba ankubidde nenkubira ne mama wange nemugamba ninayo interview bankubidde naye oli brand wako oli omumanyi kuba mami wange akumanyi kuba gola kati omumanyi twajjanga nnyo ku NBS kati akumanyi negamba bambi genda okola interview tebaa wangambye ojja nengamba enkya it's okay naye abasinga bankubira nengamba siriyo
okay kanja tunule life ku TikTok onyonyode life nga doctor kanja onyonyode life ku TikTok eri etya
life ku TikTok eri very very hard kubanga omuntu wakulaba ku TikTok alowooza oli muntu mubi alowooza oli muvumbi alowooza oli too bad omuntu wakulabira in a very negative aspect nenga ate sibyo buli
wavumye Eddie Kenzo
Kenzo
ku luyimba lwa twende tupate lwe yayimbye ne Pia Pounds
Eddie Kenzo namuwadde opinion saa movement Kenzo boli kino namugambye Eddie Kenzo the fact is oluyimba mwaronyonye ate era bwe nakoze video almost everyone said it oluyimba lwayinonese that's what I said that was my opinion buli omu alina opinion ye waliwo abalunyumiddwa era bakola video ne bagamba nenga oluyimba alunyuma era ne balulaba ku YouTube era luli mu trending but I personally that was my opinion terwakunyumidde also his part kubanga Kenzo
yayimbye ki
divide ate Kenzo ina lyrics zawandika ngoba seeking attention kwa bikasala ajja kufubula nti atekamu buli bupato bwe tutategeera olubanga grammar mubi era tutere twogere ku luyimba lutambule which is very okay tetusinako obuzibu naye olinda
mu reality oyagala Eddie Kenzo
mwagala just no mwagala nnyo
nenga muvuma ku TikTok
si muvuma mugambako era olala Kenzo walolo yavayo niyeyogeza ebitali yone mugambako fe ku TikTok we tuli kunyumirwa oli wajja Kenzo bakola olimba ne lunyuma era nga tuluzinira kero gendo laba nga tuzina kitegeza we are appreciating newe envayo ne ngamba Pia Pounds tebyanyumi that simply means tebyanyumye mukwano just go back and revise your
so ene chintu like when nanja kola interview nawe when bemba ngendo kufuna interview n'omuntu nsoka ne mmanya ekitufu kikyali nakebede video zozo nango linga omuntu atayagala Ugandan musicians bonoba wa owana ba Tanzania owana ba Nigeria are you Nigerian
no by the way olaba in life we move with negativity because if there is no negativity you'll never move, you'll never grow bobera honga buli muntu akuwana bwanyi toterira toba ku line toba ku mulama toba ku mustawa oyino okufuna yo negativity kata abayimbi bafe bayina engeri jeba bera mu limelight ne bera bira they also have negativities so bakola nyimba buli kimu ne baloza kiri perfect Eddie Kenzo for example aina be it mwimbi wakabi nete kitegeeza nti buli limba bana afulumya lugenda nyuma kitegeeza walora joto kuba hiti walora joleta amajani ne waleta amajani tugogereko so that the next song igenda bangi nyuma
Steve dawe videos ku TikTok nalabye oli ekintu kyo wait bagwatereza abantu ku TikTok something like that wait cha
level give
yes level give up TikTok ani yakuwa obuyinzo obwo
no everyone can just know TikTok is very free go you believe in yourself do whatever you're doing and brand yourself so that's how I brand myself nzengamba ku TikTok oyino okujja ngoli ABCD nete kitegeeza nti labo janga tochiri tojja kukirizibwa tojja kola cha just web to ebiba wabawo oli ajanga yagala kati nga wala omuntu najja ku TikTok nga yagala just kuzina oli najanga ayimba buyimbi oli najanga akola challenges kanize navayo ngebe binyumira original sound era nzo mukubata nikokoza original sound ku TikTok abasinga bali badabuzi mu nyimba na kuzina
original sound otegeza ki okuvuma
okugera kuba basinga bali bakozesa sound ye kacha ku TikTok nga yakajja teri yali ayogera
watandika di TikTok
nali mu 2016
TikTok
no not 2017 I was in mwaka sigujukia neche
but TikTok madman you were like 2 years back
no,
like
no iruddewo TikTok yajadda nenga abantu tebagimanyi
till lockdown
kati ono mu lockdown wesinza okutraininga because people were very bored era abana basinga kati betwina bali verified before even lockdown nga yajadda nga bo bakola content nga we amito October Ferry kati ono Gold Viv ye bakamu verified recently kubanga yakola account yasooka ne bagibaninga anti hakuna ayambala bubi ayambala strings ate TikTok eri against that
but mchiboli na Gold Viv tutandikirawo Gold Viv is one of the people betuna mu Uganda bali na verified accounts zili satu kale nyan Palaso October Ferry Gold Viv ne Amito yaga tabanamuwa buzi mchiboli na ne Gold Viv